day goes on, but we'll get things started here very, very shortly. The VA Ann Arbor's healthcare system's mission is to honor America's veterans by providing exceptional healthcare that improves their health and well-being. And if you're a veteran, stop by the VA tent behind the flight line in Vendor Row to see what big building that's located way across the airfield directly out in front of us. The bomber plant is scheduled to be torn down unless we can raise $8 million by October 1st. They are now $4.5 million toward that goal. Have to raise another $3.5 million. You can see how you can contribute and buy a square foot for 50 bucks. A square foot of the plant. A small portion will be saved, and it'll be plenty of room for all of the, just about all of the assets of the Yankee Air Museum. As you may have heard, I was speaking to one of the able dogs, the Skyraiders, an F4U Corsair, and a McDonnell Douglas A4 Skyhawk. And coming in right over top from in front of us at over 3,000 feet, we've got Cindy Irish getting ready to jump in the American flag. So let's get ready to celebrate freedom, ladies and gentlemen, right here at the 2013 Thunder Over Michigan Air Show. Hello everybody, my name is Rob Ryder, and it's great to be back here at Willow Run Airport in Belleville. Listen to the sound. Round engines and jets all together. It was capable of carrying over 8,000 pounds of ordnance. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was greater than the bomb carrying capability of the heavy bomber from the United States Air Force, the B-17. Also in formation, the A4 Skyhawk II, built by McDonnell Douglas, an aircraft that initially was going to have only a several-year production run, but continued to be built for over 23 years. And then the last of the piston engine fighters, the F4U Corsair, known as the bent wing bird. I'm going to fade the music again so you can hear the sound of these incredible engines. Just call the hooks up. You saw the tail hook. The Navy tail hook legacy flight. As we honor the men and women of our United States Navy and Marine Corps. Corsair was designed to be used as a carrier-borne aircraft. But because the pilot sat so far back and so low, he was having difficulty seeing over the cowling so we could get into the landing area of the carrier. So it was assigned to Marine Corps units. Coming over your shoulder, directly behind you and overhead, here comes the legacy flight.
All right, baby.